Hi, I'm Kenisha Huddleston, one of the co-advisors for the Women in Ag Club here on campus. And let me tell you, there's nothing more powerful than a room full of strong, hardworking women who share a passion for agriculture. I experienced that firsthand at this year's Women in Ag conference. This year was a big year as it was the 40th anniversary of the conference. I was privileged to get to attend the event as a sponsor, as well as join Professor Reagan Kavanaugh and 9 of our girls from the college club here at NCTA. This conference wasn't just about learning, it was about growing. From hands-on workshops to powerful keynote speakers, I walked away with new skills, valuable connections, and a renewed confidence in my role in the ag industry. I heard stories from women who have paved the way, faced challenges head-on, and found success in every corner of agriculture. Their experiences remind me that we're not alone in this journey. We are part of something bigger. This conference didn't just inspire me, it lit a fire. I left feeling empowered, motivated, and ready to take on the future. If you're a woman in ag or know one who's ready to grow, don't miss this opportunity next year. Join us in shaping the future of women in agriculture. Visit ncta.unl.edu to learn more, because when women in ag rise, we all grow together.